Hi, I'm Yinka and I am a filmmaker, and sometimes I make event videos as well. I think before I even started calling myself a filmmaker, I always loved shooting parties. I won't say events, I'll say parties, because the energy that came with parties, people dancing, people vibing, people having like such a great time, I loved it. The first ever party that I remember ever truly enjoying, I shot with my friend Tusen. He was like hosting, he's a host, and he was hosting like this really fun party somewhere. I was new in Lagos, so I don't remember where we went. I just remember that it was like there was a poolside and the energy was great and it was popping and I loved it and I just had so much fun. And I was like filming, but my hand was shaking and I wasn't that very good at it, but still at the same time, like I had a great time. And from then on, I realized I love shooting parties. Fast forward to year 2023, Zikoko Magazine had me cover an event of 3,000 people, Hertitude. It was the most amazing, I don't know what that was. It was the most amazing female only party. Are you kidding me? Fast forward to 2023, Zikoko Magazine reached out to Fast forward to 2023, Zikoko Magazine reached out to me to shoot their party of well over like, I think close to 3,000 people, Hertitude. It was this amazing female-only party and I had such a blast filming it. But the best part about filming it was my slow motion booth. I created the slow motion booth, a concept which I had seen like some old wedding video where people were just having fun in front of the camera, and I just love that. And I love slow motion. Like anyone who knows me as a filmmaker knows that I love slow motion. I think I'm gonna move away from shooting events traditionally, and I'm just gonna try and find ways to tell different stories about like what's happening. And so the slow motion booth is like something that's new, something that I'm offering, and something that's very fun for me. It feels very much part of the party. Like it's not just you're having fun and then some like video person's coming and like putting the camera in your face, but it's more like you're having fun and then you come to our booth and you have even more fun. So yeah, without further ado, here's the video that we did for Zikoko Mag's Hertitude. If you recognize yourself in this slow motion video, mention it in the comments because there were just so many people. And yeah, and then for people who were there who did actually partake in the slow motion booth, I would really love to hear your feedback about ways that you feel like the booth might be better. Like for instance, a lot of people were asking us for the videos that we shot and we couldn't give it to you because we had to give it to Zikoko Mag first. But for the next slow motion booth, like what I'm offering, that would definitely be part of the service. So yeah.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread and I know it make you wonder, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all.
So thank you for taking the time watching my video. If you like this video, sure to leave a comment, leave a like. This is on YouTube, this is Instagram, but this could also be YouTube. So yeah, subscribe.